Ito natin siya. Alam mo, wawag tayo na kayo. Yeah! Mamo! Ito wala na yung ating mama mo doon. Hindi. Wala.
Ming.
Wala na, no.
You guess for the hell I'm singing.
Magnapuntok mo no.
Hinapawakan na pa. Ano yung...
Kahit nananakbo. Pero kaya hindi patakbo ka na
Don't be afraid to follow your dreams. Under love, we'll stay.
Paano naman? Tukali!
Luis, can you send me something, Luis? Luis, can you send me this love? And follow me back?
Hey!
I want to try this love. Luis, can you send me this? Or send me something? I really want this. I will make you happy to try this.
Tutulak ko sa loob siya. Hoy, alagaan mo ako ang punan. Hindi ba yung paalagaan na yun eh.
Luis, this love.
Akala ko bakit pag-imbis dito kanina, akala ko tinarap nila. Yung pala may aso, sa aso. Ang katipihan na. Sabi, hindi ka rin yan. Inapit ko pa papunta doon.
Madawag na, ipis, dawag.
Sabi, may phobia na siya ko dyan.
Come on, Luis. Luis, my love, can you send me this? I will make you happy and follow me back, love. Hi, I'm in. I'm Anthony. I am June. Can you send me this love? I am June. Can you send me this? I will make you happy. When you send this, you will going to send me your WhatsApp number. I will going to message you what you want. Try this love. June, can you try this love for me? I will make you happy what you want. Come on, love.
Lumayo ka!
Only this love. You can try me love now.